It's your boy 1-3, the Don, Wicked. Shout out to the MVP, man. The Don Wick 1-3 man.
Right here.
Out here making plays, changing the game, man. This how we do it. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Appreciate it, my brother.
Come on, man. Put the slime on. Put the slime on. Throw the slime on. You feel me? Yeah, you're right. Feel me?
Real slime. I feel
You
good.
already
Right
know,
here.
man. Shout out to the Don, man.
Yeah, 1-3. Hey, man, I'm appreciative, for this opportunity to go out and, play in front of everybody. To all the Nickelodeon fans, I thank you. And to Nickelodeon, I thank you for the MVP.